In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to make your Threads account public. If you're an avid user of the new Instagram app, Threads, and you're interested in switching your account from private to public, allowing a wider audience to see your threads, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process together. To get started, open up the Threads app on your device. Look for the Profile button, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right at the top left corner, you'll spot a small lock icon. This little icon is an indicator that your account is currently set to private mode. But don't worry, we'll show you how to change that in just a few simple steps. Go ahead and tap the lock button. As soon as you do this, a prompt will pop up at the top of your screen, displaying the word Private. Now, if you're ready to switch to a public profile where your content can be viewed and interacted with by anyone, whether they're on Threads or not, it's time to make the change. Locate the toggle switch in the prompt and slide it over. This action will transform your account from private to public. Once you've done that, a confirmation prompt will appear. All you need to do is select the OK option to finalize your decision. Now let's check out your profile to see the transformation. When you go back to your profile, you'll notice that the lock icon has undergone a makeover. It's now a globe icon, symbolizing that your account is officially public. This means that anyone can follow you on Threads and engage with your content. I hope this video has been useful in helping you make your Threads account public. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.